Okay, so when it comes time to share your 408 and put it onto your caseload spreadsheet, you're going to come right over here to your drive. You're going to go to your case manager folder, go to your 408. Now, you could do one of two things. You can open it up. So let's say you want to open it up, and you can share it right from here by hitting the share button, taking it off restricted, and you're going to do anyone with a link, and we're going to be viewers because we don't want editing rights. So if you want people to edit it, then you would switch it from viewer to editor, but since you don't, it's just viewer. Okay, so then you would copy the new link and then you would hit done. So when you go over here to your caseload, you're going to do this, right click, insert a link, and so this reads text. You can either type in the text ahead of time or type it in right here. So I just wanted to read 408, and then right here in the search bar I'm going to do Control V, so it's going to put my link into there, and then I'm going to hit apply. Now you could have shared this right from your case manager folder. So let's say that you were right here in your case manager folder and you don't want to open it. All you have to do right here is just right click and hit the share button and come on over here to share. And since we already changed it, it's already in the form that we wanted to, but you could have made your changes here, hit the copy link button and the done button, and done the same thing.